Okay, so we're going to talk today about measuring centimeters. So we've already talked, if I have a line from here to here, and I try to measure that line, I can say that line is how many centimeters? Show me with your finger. Okay, I'm not seeing everyone's fingers, so how many centimeters does this equal? Okay, good. I should see just 1 centimeter here. Okay, and now if I have a line that is, say, this long, how many centimeters does that equal? That line equal? How many centimeters does that line equal? Good, 3 centimeters. Okay. Now, we talked that the centimeters, a lot of times on the centimeter ruler, the very middle, which is equal to a 5, is going to be down a little bit lower than the others. Okay, and even if it's not down a little bit lower, it's still equal to 5, that very middle line. Okay, all of these middle lines equal 5. So, if I have a line that's this long, how many centimeters is that? How many centimeters is that? Okay, you should get 4 1/2 centimeters. 4 1/2 centimeters. Okay, that's making sense so far, right? Okay, now, sometimes it will say measure to the nearest centimeter. Sometimes it will say measure to the nearest half centimeter. If I have a line that's 4 1/2 centimeters, what's the nearest centimeter going to be? Show me with your fingers. If I want this measured to the nearest centimeter. Okay, the nearest centimeter, if it's 4 1/2, you round up, so it will be 5. Okay, the nearest whole one is going to be 5 centimeters. Alright, because we have to round up. Now, let's say the line is this long here, and it wants you to round to the nearest centimeter. What's it going to be? Okay, it's a little bit further there. Show me with your fingers. Okay, only 3 people, 4 people, 5. Oh, there we go. Okay, good. You guys are seeing it. Excellent. Okay, the nearest centimeter, it's just a little bit more over here. Okay, is going to be 3 centimeters. Okay, now what if it looks like this? Okay, it says measure to the nearest centimeter, and it's like that. What's the nearest centimeter that we're measuring to? Show me with your fingers. Show me with your fingers. The nearest centimeter is 1. Very good. Okay, it's closest to the number 1. Okay, so that is how we measure to the nearest centimeter.